Okay, I'm doing the valve stem clean, the engine de-sludge on the Audi 4.2. All right, using Harbor Freight. They have it's a kit at Harbor Freight, and it attaches to the drill bit. And I use the copper, or whatever, right? They have a copper bit. Look at the copper set right here. So I use the copper first. Actually, I soaked the cylinders that were closed, right? You have to make sure that the valves, that cylinder is closed, and I sprayed it with engine degreaser, okay? And the cylinders that were closed, I sprayed it down, and I let them sit. As you can see inside of there, you see liquid inside of there. All right, it's all liquid. And I let it sit, and I came back an hour later, and I scrubbed it with the copper bit that I have, and then I used the nylon bit, and now this thing is getting really, really clean. All right. So now some of you guys that are having the misfire, or I mean, I don't want to diagnose your car because I don't know your car, but my car was having a multiple misfire, and each one of my cylinders were actually like sludged up. So let me show you guys one of the cylinders that I didn't do. Okay, here's one of the cylinders that I didn't do, and as you can see, where's my light actually that I bought? It's down. I wish I had the light, but as you can see, that cylinder is really, really bad. Now you can see after I cleaned it, I cleaned this cylinder. You can see the stem. See the stem in there? See how it looks shiny? Before it was like all tarred up like this one. Like you can't even see the stem. And it was a big sludge inside of there, right? So I used the Harbor Freight kit, the engine kit that has it. You know, you'll see it in Harbor Freight, like it attached to the brush or whatever. And this thing was like, I think it was like, no, it was like $10, something like that. And I know that other stores or other people online are selling for a lot more money. But basically, this is all you need. This and the engine degreaser from AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts or whatever. And yeah, just put this, attach it to your friggin' your drill bit, and then clean your cylinders out. And then boom, put your manifold back on, and you're all good. So I basically just wanted to make this video out to help a lot of people that are having problems, mechanics that can't find the piece, the tool to fix their Audi 4.2. All right, talk to you guys later.